Have you ever started your car only to find it struggling to turn over, or maybe you're seeing flickering lights on the dashboard? If your obd2 scanner shows a P0562 error code, it means your car is experiencing low system voltage. This can cause all kinds of annoying and potentially damaging symptoms. So today, I'll show you where to look for this issue and how to fix it. Let's dive in. So what does code P0562 mean? Simply put, P0562 is a system voltage low warning. Your car's electronic control module, or ECM, is detecting a voltage level that's lower than it should be, which can impact everything from starting the engine to powering accessories. The key components to check for this issue are your alternator, battery, and voltage regulator. The alternator is located here, typically on the side of the engine. It's responsible for charging the battery and maintaining voltage while the engine is running. The battery, of course, is right here, and it stores the power. Lastly, the voltage regulator, which may be integrated into the alternator, keeps the electrical output steady. Knowing the exact location of these components is crucial because P0562 can result from issues in any of these parts, like a weak battery, a failing alternator, or corroded connections. Common symptoms of the P0562 code include dim or flickering lights, a slow cranking engine, and even a stall while driving. The most likely causes? A weak or dying battery, a worn-out alternator, or even corroded wiring that's preventing good voltage flow. To fix this code, start by testing the battery. If it's not holding a charge, replace it. Next, check the alternator output. It should read around 13.5 to 14.5 volts while the engine is running. Lastly, inspect the battery terminals and wiring for corrosion or loose connections. Clean or replace as needed. After you've checked or replaced these parts, clear the code using your obd2 scanner and take the car for a test drive to see if the issue is resolved. And that's how you troubleshoot and fix code P0562. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with fellow drivers, and don't forget to subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips. Before you go, check out these related videos to stay on top of your car maintenance. First, watch our P0001 video for insights on fuel volume control issues, and don't miss our P0500 video if you're experiencing problems with vehicle speed sensors. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.